Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to set a data usage limit for the mobile hotspot on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This is a great feature that allows you to control your data usage and avoid any unexpected charges. So, let's get started. First, launch settings by tapping on the gear icon from the home or apps screen. Next, tap connections. To continue, tap mobile hotspot and tethering. Then, tap mobile hotspot. Make sure that the hotspot switch is on. Next, tap on mobile data shared today. This opens another window where you can manage your mobile hotspot usage for all connected devices. Locate the set data limit button and then tap on it. Doing so opens a pop-up window beneath the display. Just enter the desired data limit in the pop-up text field and then tap OK to confirm. Mobile hotspot will then automatically turn off and all devices will be disconnected when your specified data limit is reached. Your data usage resets every day at midnight, so you may have to wait. To change the set data limit, repeat the same steps to head back to the mobile data limit screen and then tap the Edit Data Limit button. Enter the new data limit or tap Set No Limit to remove the previously set data limit. And that's it. You've just learned how to set a data usage limit for the mobile hotspot on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Remember, this feature helps you keep track of your data usage and avoid any surprise charges. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.